Thank you, Miss Barrington. Come in again, please.
Thank you. Hello, girls.
Hello, Miss Barrington. Hello, Miss Barrington.
Yes, young lady, may I help you? Young lady, this is not a legitimate prescription. I'm tired of you kids trying to finagle these pills from me. Get out of here before I call the police department and your family.
But, Mona, what am I going to do? I have to have these pills refilled. If I don't, I might get pregnant.
Oh, gee, I know. Listen, couldn't you take some of your mom's pills? I mean, maybe sneak them.
But how?
Well, you could substitute them with something else, like saccharin tablets.
Yes, Miss Barrington.
Excuse me. I overheard those girls talking. Does this happen often?
Quite often, Miss Barrington. Since these pills came out, these teenagers will do most anything to get them. Most anything. And confidentially, Miss Barrington, I think there's entirely too much emphasis placed on sex these days.
Let me tell you how it's gonna be. You're gonna have some fun tonight with me. 'Cause I just got a brand new car, and that's where you are gonna be with me. Yeah, you know that happiness is free. So just picture yourself rolling with me. Yeah, we'll be driving down.
I'm so glad I sneaked away and came to the party. I'm having so much fun.
I'm glad you came, too. We'll have lots of fun all the time now, Alice. Now that you're really my girl.
Hey, you cubes, old Charlie and the gang are here to liven up the party, right?
Right.
Oh, Charlie, my feelings are hurt. They don't look like they're happy to see us. And after we went to all their trouble to bring them this booze.
Hey, that's no way to treat a lady. Hey, the lady just offered you something. Well, if you're gonna be such babies, we'll just drink it ourselves, right?
Yeah, right.
Hey, play so we can dance. I said play!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Randy, honey pie? Why don't you get rid of Miss Goody Two-Shoes and let us have some fun?
Ray, I want to go home.
So do I. Why don't you grow up? What did you say to her? Watch it, sonny boy. Maybe I'll teach you how to grow up.
Oh, leave him alone. Save the fighting for Pike. Come on, let's you and I have some fun and leave the kids alone for a while.
Yeah, maybe you're right. We gotta meet Pike later. So let's get out of here and have some real fun. He's so used to Miss Sugar and Spice, he wouldn't know what to do with you anyway, Randy.
Let's go, Ray.
You aren't interested in her, are you?
Of course not.